Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you are new on here, welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. If you want to see how I created the coils I have right now, then do keep watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. Mwah. For this tutorial, we'll be needing a comb, a bigger one. This is my water. I put it in this bottle just so it will be easy to spray on my hair. You see? And then I love this lock and twist gel. Don't know if you guys can see. Lock and twist gel. Yeah. I have old coils on. You start by combing out. It will be quite hard because you know gel. So then you moisturize. Last time I did bigger ones. That's why you see this bigger coils. I want to create smaller ones. So I'll create a smaller part. Look at this. Then you do this. Then you pick up your ORS lock and twist gel. You could use whatever gel you like, or as well not use any gel at all, but I like to use gel. But you are not putting too much, just pick a bit. Remember to moisturize first. So after rubbing it, you can put your hand on here and begin to roll. You want to make sure it's very tight. You could use a clip to hold the other part of your hair so it doesn't get in your way while twisting. So I picked my gel and I'm doing exactly the same thing I did the first time. Twisting, 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 twisting until it's tight, and then roll it on itself. So this is it. I'm done with the Bantu knot. Some of it wasn't rolled properly because I wasn't taking my time and the hair is so short. I didn't even realize that at the back. Okay, we're back. Okay, so it's time to lose. I'll use my CCB natural. Your nourishing sheen spray, olive oil. I use more of olive products. Olive hair treatment. This is our olive oil edge control.